Meet M-Close Kit, the first and only multifunction system to combine targeted abdominal nerve block injections with the most advanced port closure device. M-Close is simple. Slide the button to rotate the T-bar and insert directly through the trocar. This makes it easy to find the port path in obese patients with even the most angled ports, and it reduces the loss of pneumoperitoneum. Advance the M-Close until the T-bar passes beyond the trocar and automatically flips open. The trocar can now be removed and the M-Close stays secured inside the abdomen. The T-bar now rests directly against the peritoneum. This shields the needles and protects the bowel and other intra-abdominal organs from injury. Next, press the plunger to the first click, advancing 2 needle guides simultaneously into the abdominal wall. M-Close patented reference plane system positions the needles relative to the peritoneum and not the skin surface. The distance from the skin to the nerve plane varies significantly between individuals, but when the nerve plane is measured from the peritoneum, the extreme variation due to fat and muscle thickness is eliminated. Even in the most obese patients, by using the peritoneum as a reference, the nerve layer can be found consistently. Once the needle guides are locked in position, you can use the included nerve block needle to inject anesthesia bilaterally into each side of the defect. M-Close Kit reduces pain. Studies show abdominal wall nerve blocks can reduce opioid consumption after surgery by over 60% compared to local infiltration. Also, it's not just about reducing opioids. Reducing pain significantly improves patient satisfaction. A patient's perception of how well a surgery went is strongly related to the pain and discomfort they feel post-op. M-Close doesn't stop there. It's also the most advanced port closure device. By pressing completely down on the plunger, the 2 needle guides will continue downward and penetrate the peritoneum simultaneously and symmetrically. The needles are never exposed and safely enter the T-bar, creating a continuous channel around the defect. Insert the included guide wire into the top of the plunger and then pass any suture type through the guide wire loop. Pull the guide wire out completely, bringing the suture out the other end. Once the suture is through, the needles are retracted by pressing the top button. The T-bar is then strained out by using the slide button, and M-Close is removed, leaving behind a perfectly symmetrical suture deep inside the port. M-Close is the only port closure device with integrated dual needles that penetrate both edges of the fascial defect simultaneously with the push of a single button. This ensures that the suture bites are exactly 180 degrees from each other, something that's nearly impossible to do with other port closure devices since they all use individual needles. Natural movement, along with an angled camera perspective, and the inevitable fascial tenting during single insertion makes it difficult to achieve symmetry between needle punctures. Even a small deviation from 180-degree placement can lead to the suture missing most of the defect, leading to an inadequate closure. M-Close is designed for even the most obese patients. By delivering a suture relative to the fascia and not the skin, this allows it to capture the same exact amount of deep tissue regardless of the abdominal wall thickness. Other devices use the skin as a reference. Therefore, suture bites capture more fat and tissue as the abdominal wall gets thicker. These large fatty loops in obese patients can lead to fat necrosis, which loosen and weaken the closure. And there's more. For large or irregular defects, one suture is not enough. With M-Close, surgeons can quickly deliver multiple sutures. M-Close can be reinserted, then rotated 90 degrees to deliver a second suture, perpendicular and of identical length, allowing them to cross symmetrically in the center of the defect. Now the surgeon can tie one suture to the other, thus creating a single figure of 8 suture. When pulled, the edges come together with equal force from all sides towards the center to fully close even the largest defects. M-Close is fast. Having opposed needles penetrate simultaneously makes closing ports quick. M-Close can place a suture in less than 30 seconds, and the repeatable mechanical precision gives surgeons peace of mind that their ports will be closed properly, regardless of who remains at the end of the case to close them. M-Close is safe. Unlike most other port closure devices, the protected needles give surgeons confidence to close the camera port without visualization. eliminating the need for an extra 5mm scope. And the risk for bowel injury is minimized when pneumoperitoneum is lost. Best of all, M-Close saves money. The M-Close kit costs less than many port closure devices, yet it provides the added benefits of a nerve block system. Insurance reimbursement is potentially available for hospitals that deliver the nerve blocks for post-op pain in conjunction with their anesthesiologist, making the device cost neutral or potentially resulting in net savings for the hospital. The M-Close kit, the world's first multifunction system for delivering a gold standard port closure and a targeted nerve block around the port site. A combination that will change the paradigm of how surgeons finish their laparoscopic and robotic surgeries. Join the new wave now.